Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers how to insert, append, and remove elements from a list. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. We will use the list object called myList. It is a list of US states. In our insert examples, we specify the index number where we want the insert to take place. This does not override any information. Let's now print the list again and see our newly inserted item located at index 1. If the index being specified is already populated with data, the data and all subsequent data will be shifted back to the next index number. For the append method, the string element last state will be added to the end of the list object. Let's now print to see the appended item. To remove an element, simply use the remove method and refer to the element to be removed. We will remove both the items we previously added and then print the list to show that they no longer exist in the list. View the terminal on the right of your screen for a demonstration of the removal method. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.